Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is my mom, and today I'll be doing this nice like little green makeup. Show them, close your eyes. She's wearing her Yay Beauty lashes, lip gloss, highlight, everything. Well, not everything is Yay Beauty, but most of it is Yay Beauty. So yeah, let's just hop right into the video. I'm probably not gonna do a lot of talking in the video, just like showing you guys how I did her makeup. So yeah, let's get on into it.
Okay.
Tú vas a tener que hacer narrating of everything. So,
Okay.
te voy a decir qué es lo que es y tú vas a decir qué es lo que es.
Esto va a ser funny.
Gonna be like, we're gonna use Cabral for the brows. Oh, tell the camera.
I'm gonna use brows.
Yes.
That's gonna
To fill in the brows.
to fill in my brows.
Yes.
Alright.
Okay. My mommy has thin brows, so we're gonna make them really big today, okay?
Not that big.
No, we're gonna do them like mine.
Must.
I'm displaying. I don't know who I got my brows from. Sure wasn't my mom.
No, for your grandma.
We're only doing her makeup for fun, and we're not going nowhere.
Who knows?
Who knows? Ah!
What?
Yeah.
We're gonna use NARS concealer.
Yes. Now it's concealer to conceal.
Now we're gonna use NYX palette.
Yes. It's called the Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. We're gonna do the green colors. Okay?
Okay.
It's gonna look cute.
Okay.
Para YouTube.
Eso yo estoy, ella me está grabando aquí.
Okay, we're done with the eyes. Now mommy gotta go do abuela's hair, and then we'll do the face after.
Okay.
Just se le puede lavar y todo.
Y tú me vas a poner mi pestaña.
Yeah.
Claro, porque no me puedes dejar sin pestaña.
Yes.
Estamos usando Fenty Foundation. Okay. Es muy buena esa foundation.
Yes.
So after this part, I just let my mom chill and like we chat with my brother.
Okay. I threw everything away.
Oh my God.
Todo eso también no servía ya. Pregúntale a Yali, tú estabas amarillo, eso tenía 20.000 años, niña. Ella cree no, tú estabas limpiando porque estaba un reguero y todo eso.
Y no era como tú lo usabas antes.
Ajá.
Ahora no lo vas a usar.
Menos lo voy a usar ahora.
Here I'm contouring and blending everything out. And she looks so good already, period. I'm gonna go under the eyes after I bake and blend all of that, period. I line her lips, and then my mom really likes a black waterline, so I use my Yay Beauty pencil to do that. And then I'm gonna go and do her mascara to put her lashes on, because she was like, you better put my lashes on.
Eso no te
Why
sirve.
your shit look like that, bro?
Because I was on a
¿Y
plane.
qué pasó? Que lo dañaste, lo dobló todo. No, cuando ya entre el pie se arregla.
No, mommy, those are ones. They're not supposed to have a wrinkle at all.
So, pero no importa si se hizo rincón en el book. En la maleta.
Yeah, what else is I supposed to put?
Maleta de mami, no se pone así.
It's see. Hopefully it won't put them out.
Y ella tenía unos jeans y se lo quitó.
No, que no le gustan los jeans.
Ojalá.
Ahora que tú te estás dando cuenta que ella...
No, yo sé que hace rato.
Should I wear these or should I wear the white ones?
Cualquiera, nadie te va a ver eso.
Not the white ones again.
But I want people to know that they're authentic.
Come on, nobody has to know what you have. Be you. Don't worry about anybody else.
Just
Period.
kidding. I like the way it looks.
Experience.
Look it.
A baddie.
Cute.
Yeah.
Ajá. So, miren mi resultado. Este es mi después.
Period.
Experience.
Doesn't my mom look so pretty? So that's the end of this video.
Okay.
Tell them to like, comment, and subscribe.
Okay. Like, comments, and subscribe.
Period.
Experience.
Period.
Okay. Ken to J Beauty.
Yay beauty. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know. I'll probably do her makeup again one day.
Alright.
So yeah, that's it for this video. There's some
Bye.
kisses.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.